Now, as an entrepreneur myself, we always seek to create new things, create solutions. Not just make more money, but also something to solve the problems other people are having. My name is Shanq Yeet. I'm one of the graduates from Next Academy. Shall we begin?
Yeah.
So yeah, I got this business friend. He writes contents every day basically to promote his business, and he told me this, I have contents, people are reading. But I really want to know how can I drive more conversions to it? How can I create something that can really help him to convert all his readers into actual customers? And based off the idea, I actually developed an app called Clip It. This app basically allows you to create sort of a banner kind of thing where you can put in your short call to action message, and you can put it on any of your own SEO content and put that and you share that page to people. So when people visit your content, you can also ask them to buy your products or lead them to another content that you want them to.
Did it work?
Yeah, it did. It really worked. My friend is really happy using it now and truly satisfied my work so far. Yeah.
So why did you pick up coding?
Just about 3 years ago, I actually thought of doing a platform to help businesses that sells organic products. I engaged a developer and spent me almost 70,000 ringgit just to build a platform. Cut my story short, after 10 months of operation, I had to close it down. I found out that I really had problems with making effective marketing ideas, and also because the platform is becoming even more expensive to maintain. So because I'm paying about $25 an hour to my developers to do maintenance, and I didn't expect it to be so much because I thought I only had to pay the initial cost of 70,000 ringgit. So at that point of time, I was very lost. I didn't know what to do until I came across programming course offered by Next Academy. So while I was looking at Next Academy, I thought I spent 70,000 ringgit just to build a website. Maybe I can learn about doing it my own. So, but I didn't know whether we can actually learn programming in just 3 months. I thought it was not possible. So after a while of research, I found myself enough reason to jump into it right away. While I was learning it, that took me about 2 weeks just to build one website. But after knowing how to do it, we can easily make it in a matter of a day, few days, and a week if it's a simple website. Programming skill is like sort of like giving you the power of God. You can actually create anything that your mind can generate out of almost zero cost.